Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and it's almost Valentine's Day. And so I thought it would be a good idea to make something that I'm calling 4-ingredient chocolate crispy treats. These are the ingredients, so let's get started. You need a double boiler. Put water in the bottom part of the double boiler and bring that water to the boil. You'll need about 2 to 3 cups. The next thing you do is measure out 1.25 cups of dark chocolate morsels, and then measure 2 cups of brown rice crisps, like Rice Krispie cereal, but it's made with brown rice. So now the water in the double boiler, the bottom part, has come to the boil. You're going to use the top and you're going to put the chocolate morsels in that, but not all of them, about 2/3 of them, and save some because we're tempering this chocolate. Put it in the chocolate bits into the pan, the bottom of the double boiler, and then just begin to stir it till it starts to melt. You're going to do this in bursts of about 20 to 30 seconds. You can't do it all at once because it has to be tempered, and you do it slowly. And then you're going to take it off the stove and you're going to just keep stirring. Be sure to put it on a dish towel that's dry and it's folded up. Then put it back on the stove again once you stir it. Take it off the stove again. You're going to do this until the chocolate in 20-second bursts. You're going to keep doing this until all the chocolate is melted. After you've taken it on and off at least 2 to 3 times and it's pretty liquidy, you're going to now temper it with the cold or the cooled, unmelted chocolate bits. You're going to put that in the melted chocolate. Put it back on the stove, on the top of the boiling water in the double boiler, and keep stirring until it turns smooth. And then this part you have to do quickly. You put in the 2 cups of brown rice crisp, you put in your maple syrup, which is 1.5 tablespoons, and you put in a teaspoon of vanilla and stir quickly. You don't have a whole lot of time because it's going to start to harden once those liquids hit this tempered chocolate. As soon as you get all of the chocolate mixed into the rice crisps, prepare 8x8 baking pan or a 9x9 baking pan that is parchment lined. Put that into the pan. It should still be warm, and you're going to use a spatula and push that mixture all around that pan. It's not going to be real thick, but use a spatula and get into the corners and everything. If you want to do the heart shape, you're going to have to do it now while the mixture is still warm. You're going to either use the heart shape cutter or you're going to cut it into squares. Your preference. What I also did is to have extra is go around the hearts and just cut up those pieces because you don't want to throw them away. They're delicious. Now when you're all done with that, you're going to put that on I just put it on a plate, put it in the refrigerator. It won't take more than an hour. So after all of the hardening of that crispy treat with chocolate, it has been put in the refrigerator. This is what you're going to end up with. Because I use the dark chocolate, they're dark, but they are so delicious. You don't have to use hearts. I just chose to do it because it's Valentine's Day. But that's what they look like, and they are really, really good. I'm going to try one for you, though I know they're good. This is really good, guys, but I really like dark chocolate. And this is really tasty. It's crunchy. It reminds you of a Nestle's Crunch bar, if you've ever had those, with the Rice Krispies and milk chocolate. This is brown rice crisp with the dark chocolate. Really worth your time to do it. So, happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I hope you enjoy these treats and that you will try them. And then once you have, you will get back to me with comments below to let me know what you think, okay? So until next time, I know many of you are saying this with me, troopers. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. So until next time, bye for now.